Yeah?
Hello.
Hey Caleb, what's up?
Can you give me something in exchange for this fidget spinner?
Yes I can. Give me a sec, man. Take this powerful laser.
Okay.
So we're gonna redo that?
Yes, okay, so the powerful laser pointer was a joke. You're not actually giving me your powerful laser pointer.
Oh, I'm giving you the Steam controller that I never use.
Steam controller you never use.
It has a USB port, has batteries in it.
Not bad.
Yeah, have fun with it.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Is this a social experiment?
This is a YouTube video. Okay.
Them.
And the cable. And
This
here's
one is 6 foot long.
nice. And here's the Steam controller.
It's Bluetooth.
Okay, so I'm keeping the pear chips because I like pear chips. Dried cuttlefish?
Yes.
I'll take it. Alright, Ryan gave me these 2 things of popcorn. Someone just gave me a can of sparkling water. We didn't want the rest of the stuff, but now I have more to add to the pile.
I'll trade you. I don't know what this is.
What is that?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I think. I got this at Savers for the Pokemon, but do you want the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle? I'm giving you the Ninja Turtle booty and 2 really nice pens.
Alright, we're leaving Lewis Hall. This is my dorm building, as you can see. And we're heading over to Wilson Hall, which is over there. We're gonna keep going. So I didn't get this on camera, but I just exchanged the glow sticks for a coupon for a free custom drawing from an art major. So yay. Okay, so then I exchanged the coupon for this bag of Cheez-Its and this Tide pen, which might not have been the best deal, but I figured there's probably a freshman out there who would really like a Tide pen.